Alright, welcome back to Making Adventure. I'm Kimi, and today we just have a very quick video for you. Question came on the Facebook group Schooly Planet, and it's a question from the Life Schooler. So very first thing is they were having some issues starting up their trucks there, and the first thing I would say is that diesel trucks do not like to start when it's cold out. Of course, if it's like this, snowing and things, they're definitely not going to like to start. So you want to plug them in, and if your truck is any use to being in kind of cold weather at all, you'll have one of these plugs down here. You just take it in and you plug in a regular extension cord to that outlet. Make sure if you're going to use that outlet there, route your cord something like this so that you can see that it's plugged in and you don't drive away and rip the cord out your house. And that will heat up the block inside your vehicle and be easier to start your diesel. Diesels they're not the same as gas. A gas engine has a spark plug where when the piston goes up on the compression stroke, it already has the fuel in it, and the spark then ignites it and you get the boom and it goes down. That's your power that will run your engine. On a diesel, it goes up on the compression stroke and compresses all that air really tight, and then it sprays the diesel in. So that means the air has to be really hot for the diesel to actually start up and run. So it has something called a glow plug. That glow plug heats up the cylinder and it turns off, and then you can start the vehicle once everything's up to temperature. If your glow plugs are faulty, they won't heat up fast enough, or they won't heat up hot enough, and you won't be able to start it. Diesels, they gotta be warm. Oh, the question also about how to charge your batteries if they're dead. This is what I use. Super cheap. I thought it was a 2 amp. It's actually a 0.8 amp. So very small trickle charger, and you just hook up the leads, plug it in, and just let it sit there. Let it sit all winter. Doesn't matter. Really quick on the dash, diesels will have something. It'll be a coil. It'll look like a little coil. It'll say wait to start. It might say glow plugs. On ours, it's this thing over here, and you have to wait to start. That's telling you that the glow plugs are trying to get warm. That's what that says. And our battery is super dead because I don't have the trickle charger on there right now. We're gonna see if it's gonna start anyway. But wait for that to go off before you start your diesel. See how that's off? Now, since it's so cold out, I'm gonna do it again. I wanna make sure those glow plugs are nice and warm. You have to do this so that your actual compressed air inside the cylinder is hot enough to ignite the diesel, because there is no spark plug. One more time, and then we're gonna go ahead and start this thing. See if it'll start up. If it doesn't start up, the battery's dead, which it looks like it's very low. I'll put that trickle charger on it, and I'll come back in an hour and we'll see if we can start it then. Didn't like it, but it fired up. Even with the battery almost dead, it still fired and started for us. Just gotta cycle those glow plugs a couple of times, and then should be good to go.